What's up guys, welcome back to another video. This is Xenios, and today is not going to be a regular video. This is just an announcement in case you don't follow me on my Instagram. If you follow me on my Instagram, you do know that recently I released my recipe book, which I have over here. Maybe you've seen this on my Instagram, I have announced it already. And this recipe book is something that you need to have because I designed it specifically for people who are lazy like myself, who are super busy and don't have time to cook meals or spend endless hours in the kitchen. So all the recipes that I have in my recipe book, they are very easy to make it, super delicious, and at the same time very fast. You don't want to spend endless hours in this kitchen over here. You want something very fast and very delicious at the same time. So I want to show you how the recipe book looks like because I'm sure you will love it. So as soon as you buy it, this is what you will find out inside. There are two recipes that I will show you right now. So you have the macros over here. If you have MyFitnessPal, this is a macro tracking application. You can instantly add it to your diary. There are ingredients. As you can see, the ingredients of every single recipe. It's not complicated. I don't want complicated things. I want very easy things to do so everyone can do it. And of course, instructions. If you are a beginner and you don't know how to cook, these instructions will help you. And at the same time, I have videos for every single recipe. So here is a video of the first recipe that you see. Every video is 45 to 60 seconds and it shows you straight to the point how to do each recipe. As you can see, it's super easy and very fast at the same time. So every recipe comes with a video. There are 90 recipes in the ebook, and the ebook is separated into 3 sections. Section 1 is just regular recipes. Section 2 is summer salads. So I created some special salads that I never shown before on my YouTube channel that I also personally eat. This is one of them over here. So this is one of the meals that I'm going to eat right now. And the third section is for vegetarians. If you are vegetarian and you don't eat meat or fish, this is for you. I have a lot of recipes for vegetarians as well. And yeah, this is it. A lot of people have bought it already from my Instagram. They message me every single day with pictures of how they enjoy the meals and how easy it is to make them. So I want to make sure that you are also going to get this ebook because I'm running a special offer that is lasting for 24 hours and it's only for my YouTube subscribers. So if you want to get my ebook, just click on the top right of the screen on the cards, or maybe in the description below you will find the link of my ebook. So to buy it, all you have to do is to get on this page over here. You will see the landing page and you just click buy now. If you want to see more information, just scroll down and start reading everything. This is just an explanation of how each recipe looks like. So click buy now, fill up your information over here. Everything is very secure, very easy, and that's it. So I'm going to play right now the promo of the ebook, and hopefully I will see you in the team of my people that bought my recipe book. Thank you so much. How would you like to know how to cook recipes that are fast, delicious, easy to make, and help you to lose fat and make you feel healthy? Well, now you can. My name is Xenios and I'm the author of Cook Like Xenios. My YouTube videos have helped over 10 million people around the world, and specifically my recipe videos have reached over 1 million people around the world. I'm mostly known from my homemade protein shake videos where I show to people how to create their own homemade protein shakes and set a strategy for their diet that is easy to gain or lose weight. Now let's talk about the cookbook and why you should get it right now. Cook Like Xenios is a cookbook specifically designed for busy people that don't have time to cook meals and want something extremely fast to cook and eat. So if you work at a 9-to-5 job or run your own business, then you will need to have this cookbook as it's going to make your life super easy. Now, if you are a student and want meals that are on your budget and they are not boring, then you will definitely need this cookbook. It's going to make your studies go nice and smooth. Cook Like Xenios is really for anyone that wants fast, easy, and super tasty recipes. It contains 100 recipes which has a mixture of breakfast, lunch, and dinner options. Every recipe has been carefully planned out to focus on flavor and a good nutritional balance as well. Vegetarian recipes are also included in the cookbook. Now, what makes my cookbook unique is currently the only recipe book on the market that has 60 seconds videos that explains very fast how to cook each recipe. Honestly, nobody really wants 10 minutes of videos explaining the recipes. That's so time consuming and so boring at the same time. For people who are more advanced and use macro tracking applications like MyFitnessPal, then I got good news for you. Each recipe comes with a barcode that you can scan and instantly add the full recipe into your MyFitnessPal. That's pretty cool, right? Also, each recipe comes with a detailed ingredient list to help you make your grocery shopping much easier. If you scroll down to this webpage, you will see more information about the cookbook, what recipes you will expect to see in the cookbook, and of course, an example of each recipe. This is a new way of cooking, and if you are really like most of my clients, you believe in eating amazing, delicious foods that keep you fit and healthy. I created a new, tasty, and efficient way to cook your meals that will change your daily schedule. Thank you so much. Just buy the ebook.